Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to open your Charles Schwab account. So it's pretty simple. You will have to go to the schwab.com or just search up Charles Schwab in your Google browsers. So from there you can open an account right here. You have your individual brokerage, joint, Roth IRA, traditional IRA, and rollover IRA. So you can choose between these accounts and you can even select an account type to see more options. So if you're going with trading, you can go with brokerage and trading right here. So it will depend on your use and your purpose, of course. So right here you can see there's also custodial IRA and automated investing and educational and custodial, trust and real estate, and trust and bank and lending. So if you fall under one of these categories, this is perfect for you. So I would go right here with brokerage and trading account. So let's actually go ahead and go open up a global account. So if you haven't downloaded their application, they do already have one. And here is what you get with your global account. So no account or trade minimum, get real-time quotes during foreign market hours, and view multi-currency statement reporting. So you can even speak with global investing services specialists anytime between 5:30 p.m. ET and 5:30 p.m. ET Fridays. So how you can get started by downloading the application. So you can have account fees and commissions, so there's no fees to open and maintain an account, and the equity trading commission in foreign currency. And right here is foreign currency conversion fees. So it's pretty large for a conventional account, but it would work already. So how I open this account is pretty simple. You have to download the application and you will have to do it from there. So you can also open up a basic account like here, open an account button. So it's pretty simple. So let's try to do individual brokerage right here. So let's check out what they will have to offer for us. So right here, let's open your individual brokerage account. So you can do is buy and sell stocks, trade and invest, and get more. So let's get started already right here. You will have to put on your first name, middle name, last name, suffix, that's optional, and then your home address, date of birth, social security number, email, and phone number. So next is going to be regulatory, features, review, and agreements. So this is just basically a little about yourself. After you have done all of these, there's going to be a more in-depth process on your names and your details on yourself. But this is the most crucial information right here. The rest are just going to be some facts about opening the account and the features and review. And you just have to agree in the last part. So basically, this is the only part that's really important when opening a Charles Schwab account.